course, we know that the K-Pg Extinction Event happened about 66 million years ago, killing off all the non-avian dinosaurs. But how did we find out about it? Geologist Walter Alvarez and paleontologist Jan Smit noticed an extraordinary amount of iridium between the Cretaceous and Paleogene strata in Italy and Spain. Knowing that iridium is extremely rare on Earth, they thought it had to have come from a celestial event, but they wanted to make sure first. They also found that same iridium-rich layer in Denmark and New Zealand. Once they publicly made their claim, the news spread like wildfire, and people started to look at North America for this evidence. And people continued to find this iridium-rich layer. But I really want to hone in on two pieces of evidence that brought us asymptotically closer to the location of the event. In Haiti, large deposits of shocked quartz were found all over the island, and they're subsequent of intense temperatures and pressures. This indicated ejecta from a celestial impact because shocked quartz doesn't occur naturally from Earth's processes alone. And then the directional evidence of tsunamis off the coast of present-day Texas was kind of the nail in the coffin in terms of where this actually happened, and they figured it had to have been the Gulf of Mexico. And finally, in 1978, geophysicists Antonio Camargo and Glenn Penfield found the crater searching for petroleum in the Yucatan Peninsula. This impact happened at about 34,000 miles per hour with an impact kill zone of 1,000 miles in diameter. The scientific community has found unbelievable evidence of magnitude 11 earthquakes, 200-meter tall tsunamis, and global wildfires due to the molten ash falling out of the sky. Now, what you're probably thinking is that the dinosaurs just all died at once, and that's not the case. First, the impact happened and life was baked worldwide. Then all that debris and soot caused a nuclear winter, which then froze anything that was alive and also killed all the plants. So there was an absolute food web collapse. Additionally, aquatic organisms got hit too because of oceanic acidification, and that was due to the abundance of CO2 that got ejected into the atmosphere. And it had to go somewhere, so it got sequestered by the oceans, and that's how we get acidification. We have matched and bolstered all of this data from 300 KPG sites all across the world. And the big takeaway here is that above that boundary, the KPG boundary, life is completely different on Earth.